In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order on Plus500. If you placed a pending order and changed your mind, or the market no longer matches your strategy, canceling it is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect at each step. First, log in to your Plus500 account on the app or web platform. Make sure you're on the official platform and sign in securely. Once you're in, you'll want to head to the section where Plus500 keeps orders that haven't executed yet. Look for the Orders area, often labeled Orders or Pending Orders. This is different from open positions, which are trades that have already been executed. If you're not seeing the order you want to cancel, you're likely in the wrong section, so double-check that you're on Pending Orders. Next, find the specific order you want to cancel. This could be a limit order, a stop order, or any instruction you previously set to trigger a trade at a certain price. Take a moment to confirm the instrument, the price level, and the size so you don't cancel the wrong one. If there are many entries, use the search or filters to narrow it down by symbol or date, and ensure the status still shows as pending. Click the order to open its details. This brings up the full summary and reveals the available actions. You should see an option labeled Cancel or Delete Order. Different versions of the platform may use slightly different wording, but both mean the same thing here. You're removing the instruction to enter the market if it reaches your specified conditions. Select Cancel or Delete Order. At this point, the platform will usually prompt you to confirm the action. This extra confirmation helps prevent accidental cancellations. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm the cancellation. Once confirmed, the order should disappear from your pending orders list, and you'll know it's no longer active. If you still see it momentarily, it may just be the interface updating. Remember, only pending orders can be canceled. If an order has already executed and turned into an open position, canceling is no longer possible, and it would need to be managed as an open trade instead. Also, if the market hits your trigger price while you're in the middle of canceling, the order may execute before the cancellation takes effect, so timing matters. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Orders or Pending Orders, find the right order, click it, choose Cancel or Delete, and confirm. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll be able to manage your orders with confidence.